Hello, my lovelies, and happy Monday. Linnea here with Linnea's Cozy Crafts and More. How's it going? How was your weekend? Ours was very quiet. I woke up Saturday with a head cold, nose running, sneezing, so we didn't get to go to the alternative party, but I did work on this, my Redbird sampler. And I got the flower pot all done on Saturday. And then yesterday, I got the stems and the leaves and these 3 flowers all finished. This one has a little mistake. As you can see, there's no space there like there's supposed to be, but at least they are directly across from each other and I'm leaving it. So now I just have a little flower over here with leaves and stem to do, and the whole entire middle section of this will be finished. Yay me! And then the boys and I decided that I'm gonna work on the top section, which has the birds on it, the red birds. So stay tuned for that. Let's see, anything else? I don't think so. So this, oh, well, I did work on some other things. I did a test crochet for Cozy Creative Lifestyle. Roslyn Nicole, or Roslyn, I'm not sure how you pronounce it. It's Roslynn. And Nicole is Nikole. She is over on Instagram as Cozy Creative Lifestyle. And go follow her. She has a great page there. And then I got that finished yesterday evening and no time flat at all. It is an textured iPad sleeve. It's really cute. I'm going to use mine as a book holder. What else did I work on? Oh, I did work on my Crayola, which I did not bring today. So I can't show you what I did on that, but I did get the first pattern repeat finished, which has the beads in it. And now I'm ready to continue on, and I'll get that finished up this week. So yeah, that's about it for today, folks. I hope you have a wonderful week. Happy Halloween. Welcome to my channel and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being here. I love you all so much. Jesus loves you even more than I do, which is amazing. No matter where you are in your life, no matter how bad you think you are, he loves you right where you are. I will see you soon. Blessings and good fortune. Mwah.